Hi, welcome to Perkins Motors. We're showcasing our 2022 Jeep Wrangler. My name is Shawn Miller. I'm the service manager here. Today we want to do just a quick series of how-to videos. You know how to fill up your washer fluid, check your oil, and check some of the other vital fluids of your vehicle. So today we want to talk about the most neglected fluid in the car, engine oil. Engine technology has gotten a lot better over the years. The tolerances are a lot tighter. Cars don't go through as much oil as that they used to. You don't burn as much, therefore the unburned fuel doesn't go into the crankcase as often, and we see that engine oil levels are actually down from where cars used to be. Owner's manual usually states that you check your engine oil every time that you fill up with gas. I think that's a little excessive because most folks fill up once a week. I would suggest at least once a month. Now, to properly check your engine oil, you want the engine to be shut off for about 20 minutes to give you the most accurate reading, but you're going to usually find it here. It usually says oil on there, or it's a brightly colored object like here. You're going to take it, wipe off it the first try. Then you're going to stick it right back in. You're going to pull it out again, and this time you're just going to look. So usually there's a low mark and a high mark. The ideal one is right in the middle here. Go back to the well, go back up. Beautiful. That's a beautiful reading right there. Here is your engine oil fill right here. So if you are a little bit low, most of the times or not, the oil viscosity is right on the cap. If you're not sure, if it's not marked on your cap for some reason, call your local parts department, give them the VIN number, they'll tell you exactly what oil is supposed to be in there. But just pop the cap, go ahead, pour it in there. So I usually wipe off my cap, just make sure there's no funny business going on there. And like I said, those are the viscosity readings. They're typically on every oil cap. I found very few that don't have that. All right, go ahead, we filled up your oil. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall the cap. Now the big thing you want to do is you want to let it get a minute, to let it drip down into the pan, and then we're going to check our oil level one more time. All right, wipe it off, go back to the well. Just want to make sure we're not too full. When you're doing this, less is always more. So I'd rather you check the oil level, add a little bit more, check the oil level, add a little bit more if you need to. Overfilling could cause some frothation in the engine, could also lead to some engine problems or blowing out of seals due to excess pressure. So once again, less is more. Go ahead and add just a little bit at a time. Take a minute, let it drip down, check your oil level again. If you're right in that safe zone, stop. Go ahead and save the rest of it for next time. Go ahead and reapply. There you go. My name is Shawn Miller, and I'll be here to greet you.